Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate one of these. So this is a candle jar that quite often I will scrape all of the wax out once they're done, and then I will kind of clean them up and I will then decorate them. I've got many of these, but I really like decorating them out of polymer clay and then storing my own tools in them, which is kind of what I've done before. So my channel actually started with creating one of these and it was so much fun I thought I'd revisit and do it all again. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here we go. This is absolutely one of my favourite things that I've done for a long while. So as I said in the intro, I've actually done the copper sort of effect, but with this one I used a bigger tool. So I used the dotting tool, which was slightly bigger, and I just went around the whole thing. It did take me about 20 minutes. It weren't too bad. I just listened to one of my kind of like audio stories and just carried on dotting away, and yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was really therapeutic. I was actually surprised how therapeutic it actually was. So yeah, going around the actual design so you can get a really good look at it first. I absolutely love this. So when I came to doing the pattern part of this, I weren't too sure how I was going to do it. I thought I was going to put the clay down first and then scoop it all off and then just press it on there, and it just wasn't working out for me. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get a bigger bit of clay and squash it in and make a pattern and then pop it on, which is what I did. So yeah, I mean, I cut them out because I just thought, you know, I don't want it usual. I don't want to cover it all. I want it to look a bit weird. As you know from my channel, I like to do things a little bit differently. I like to make things that sort of come out of nowhere and the design just kind of takes on a mind of its own, which I really like. So yeah, this side here, a little bit of a close-up. I cut around this part here. I wanted it to give it kind of like almost as if it had been cut out, or this wasn't laying on top, but I baked this first because I didn't want to squish any of the circles, any of the little holes. I wanted them to be really sort of, you know, hardened beforehand. So I kind of part baked it, so it wasn't completely baked, but it was enough so that I didn't press into it too much. But because of that, I then wasn't able to fit this inside this part. As normally what I'd done is cut round it, and then I'd put it inside it, and that would have worked out a bit better. However, I put it on top and I thought, well, it's actually not too bad. I kind of like it. So I tested it out a few times and then thought, yeah, I really like this. So then I just made prints of all of the other parts of the mould that I had, and yeah, it turned out really nicely. So to complement it, I thought I'll go with the same colours just to highlight it. So the copper colour that I used was also the colour that I used for the actual design itself. And then I thought, well, there were some gaps, and I thought, well, it's a bit plain. And you know me, I just wanted to add some more to it. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to do a little bit here. And then as you saw all the way around, it's just basically a line. I put a different pattern on this because I just thought, oh, I needed something different. I didn't want to do the same pattern again. So where there was gaps, I just done those lines. And then on the inside, as I did with my other ones, I've put the little screws in again because I don't know, I just really like the idea. But for some reason I didn't actually mica powder them, so they are just as they are. But I wanted to create the top to it because it just gives it a really kind of like nice design on top as well. It's not absolutely wonderfully perfect, but it's, you know, it's clay and it's art, and I absolutely love this. So this is going to be one of the things that you won't see because it will be on my desk full of my tools, and it's going to be something that will inspire me again in the future because I absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this and the style. I mean, as I said, it came out of nowhere for me, so I just absolutely love it. And if you do make something like this, please let me know. I've got a Facebook page that is linked in the description, so yeah, let me know. So this is how you decorate a candle jar and make it really jazzy from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hi and welcome. Let's stop playing with your hair while you talk. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Oh dear, what was all that about? I was actually surprised how Thanks for watching the tutorial. I was actually surprised how oh my god. I was actually Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate one of these. So this is how my channel started. So 2 years on, I'm going to make a decorated candle, whatever this is.